Hey guys, this is Marianne for another review. Today I'm going to be doing the Tic Tac Chewy Sour Adventures. We've got cherry, lemon, orange, apple, and grape. This is take two. I kept saying TikTok, guys, with all the TikTok conversations going around. So, let's try this again because I'm not good at editing. All of my videos are pretty much unedited at this moment until I can get better at it. But here we go. Without further ado, there is our product. That is our Tic Tacs, guys. Pretty colors. They're not, I've seen brighter, but they're still pretty. Did you all used to do the regular Tic Tacs? I know my dad used to carry them, and my favorite was the orange. Comment below, what was your favorite Tic Tac? I gotta think Tic Tac, not TikTok, because we don't want to keep making another cuts. This is my second, so let's let this be it. So we got five, count them, 5 flavors to go over. I'm gonna do orange first because memories. Okay, it's good, but I like the regular Tic Tac orange flavor better. Just like letting it sit there and just like, you know, sucking on the flavor for a while. Possibly because, just like I said, memories, but it is still a really good flavor. I like it. Let's go to the apple. I'm liking it. I must say, so far with the orange and the apple, I'm not getting the sour adventure. I'm getting the crunchy outside, which is awesome, and the chewy inside, which is awesome. It's like perfectly goes good together. But I'm not getting the sour. Great. It's good. As far as like basic flavors go, like they're hitting just like they're supposed to. Grape tastes like grape. The apple tastes like apple. The orange tastes like orange. They're very good flavors. We want to do the cherry. So far, my favorite. And lastly, we got lemon. That's very good. Those are my two favorites. The cherry, which to me looks more like pink, and the lemon, which is more brighter. But I'm giving it to the lemon. I love lemon stuff though. A lot of people don't. I'm a lemon girl. I also like cherry though. So these two was like my favorite. do you all like, I know there's like certain people that like pick through, like they don't like certain flavors. Like you might not like apple and they, take those all out and leave them and don't eat them. Or, vice versa. You might not like cherry, they take it out and don't eat those. Are you that type of person, or do you eat like it all? I eat it all. It would have to be a really, really, really bad flavor for me to pick it out. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it. Just kind of wondering how you all eat your candy. Some people seem to, get them all at once, all the flavors, and and try it like that. Do you do that, or do you pick them one at a time? I usually just pick out like one at a time. I don't like not eat a certain one. I'll like okay, say for instance, which I like all these flavors, so it's hard. But like if I don't like grape, which I did, I would eat them first. And then I would save like my last one, whatever I thought was my favorite, lemon for last. Sometimes I'll do that. And then sometimes I'll get a wild hair and do what I just did and try every flavor at once, which is very flavorful. So, what do you guys do? How do you all eat your candy? Let me know. Please follow me, like, subscribe. That will help me out more than you know. I'm a new channel, so I would like to get out there and interact with more people. So please do so. I just appreciate you watching, though. Thank you for giving me your time. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye.